Fed Queen J fam, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve my knotless braids using the crochet method. As usual, I start on freshly washed hair and I'm planning to leave that for quite some time, so my hair needed to be clean. Right now I'm just sectioning out my hair so that I can begin. After sectioning off my hair, I plait the entire row so it will be easier to manage. I use Shine and Jam in the roots of my hair just to keep it sleek and together, and for the rest I use my leave-in conditioner just to keep it moisturized for when I finally braid it with the extension. Now that I have plaited the entire row, I'm going to use my crochet pin to pass braiding hair through each plait. So I pass little portions of braiding hair one side vertical and one time horizontal, and making sure that they're both the same length before I begin to actually braid. And I do that for my entire hair, section by section, row by row, until I'm done. Okay, so I've done my entire hair off camera. I just leave one more braid so I could show you how I achieve it. So you pass your crochet pin horizontal first, latch it in and pass the hair through, making sure that they both the same length. Then you pass it horizontal, making sure that it's the same length, and then you begin to braid. After I'm done braiding, I dip my entire hair in some hot water for a while just to make the braids less stiff and more flowy. I added the curls in my hair probably the day after, but at this step right now you could add your colors or your rods or whatever, then dip everything in the hot water. Now for the fun part, to accessorize your braids however you feel comfortable. I was going for that colorful band kind of vibe. So yeah, right now I'm just playing around in my hair, seeing where I should put what colors, and yeah, just having some fun.